In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Instagram story. So from your Instagram homepage, just go ahead and swipe left to right, and then you can now see your story. So you can choose from the gallery, or you can just take a picture. So from here, you can see the three dots on the upper right. Just go ahead and tap that one, and then click draw. So in here you have a lot of color options. So for example, I'm gonna be choosing the color green. So what you need to do is click the color you want and then long press the picture, and then you will now see that the background has changed. So let's try the orange one. Just long press the screen and then it will show the background color that you want. So as you can see, the photo has disappeared. So what you need to do is tap the sticker icon at the top, and then you will see here the plus sign. It means you will add an image. So just go ahead and tap the pictures that you want to upload. So in here you can change the shape of the picture from whatever you want. You can also make it bigger, whatever you want. So once you're satisfied with it, just go ahead and tap and upload it onto your story. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.